In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect the 5ers account to MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to to5ers.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here, you'll need to log in or sign up to an account if you don't already have one. Once you've done that, it should bring you something like this. And up here, you'll be able to click New Order if you don't already have one and purchase a Forex account up here. Once you've done that, you'll see it over in Evaluation. And here you'll need to click on 3 dots and then get account information. With that account information, you'll need to write it down because next step you'll need to download MetaTrader 5. And to do that, you simply need to go up to their website called MetaTrader 5. Like so, and then MetaTrader5.com up here, and download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. You can also open up in Web Terminal if you want to do that. From here, it should look something like this. And here, you'll need to log in to the 5ers account. And to do that, you need to go up to File up here and go down to Login to Trade Account. Once you've done that, you'll need to place in your login details and the password that you have been given by the 5ers, and then choose the correct server that is also visible inside of the 5ers. From here, you'll need to click OK, and then it should be connected. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!